Huawei's best known for its smartphones, but they've also made some pretty elegant computers in the past too. Its newest is a 14-inch MateBook X Pro, and this is a more powerful version of Huawei's already thin and already very light MateBook X. For years, notebook makers have been experimenting with where to put the front-facing camera on these newer laptops with such little bezel around the screen. Well, Huawei may have figured it out with its MateBook X Pro. It's actually right here in the keyboard. There are a couple reasons Huawei has gone this route. First, obviously, is that lack of bezel. Huawei says the MateBook X Pro has a 91% screen-to-body ratio, which is actually 9% higher than the MacBook Pro. But the other reason is privacy. When the camera is down, it's not only off, but you don't have to worry about anyone seeing you when they shouldn't be. But the first thing you notice about the MateBook X Pro is that screen. It's a 3K display with a 3:2 aspect ratio, and although it's basically the same size as the MacBook Pro, the display is actually an inch larger. Other features include up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage, and 8th gen Intel Core i7, quad speakers, a super fast fingerprint sensor for quicker login, and a pair of USB-C ports, and even a USB 3.0 slot, a convenience users are sure to appreciate. You can look forward to a full review. Until then, I'm Adam Ismail.